Let's solve a CAT 25 slot 1 question. At a given simple rate of interest, a given sum amounts to rupees 13,920 in 3 years, to rupees 18,960 in 6 years and 6 months. तो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि there would be a principal amount when invested for 3 years, it becomes 13,920, and when invested in 6 years and 6 months, it becomes 18,960. So हमें ये पता है ये 3 years 6 months में 13,920 से 18,960 तक गया है. Okay. So and after that उन्होंने पूछा है if the same sum has been, यानी कि ये P that would have been invested for 2 years at the same rate but compounded every 6 months, तो टोटल इंटरेस्ट कितना आना है. तो पहले हम इंटरेस्ट रेट निकालते हैं. तो हमें पता है कि 3 years and 6 months में इन्वेस्टमेंट हैज़ गॉन फ्रॉम 13,920 to 18,960. तो हम पर ईयर निकाल सकते हैं कि इंटरेस्ट रेट कितना गया है. दैट वुड बी 18,960 minus 13,920 divided by 3.5 years. Okay, so this would give us an simple interest per year of 1440. Okay, तो अब हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, दिस इज SI per year. अब we got 13,920 in 3 years for the P amount invested. So P plus 1440 into 3, this would be 13,920. तो हमारा प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट वो यहाँ से आता है 9,600. ओके, अब प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट आ गया हमारे पास. तो एंड वी हैव दी सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पर ईयर वैल्यू एज वेल. तो हम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट निकाल सकते हैं. द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इक्वल्स टू simple interest upon P into 100. This equals to 1440 divided by 9600 into 100. That comes out to be 15%. This is 15% per annum. Okay. अब क्वेश्चन में पूछा है हमसे कि if this P is invested for 2 years at same rate and but with interest compounded every 6 months. So for 6 months the rate of interest would be R equals to, per annum is 15%. So for 6 months it would be 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5%. And this is invested for 4 years. So the amount is equal to 9600, that is principal, into 1 plus R, and invested for 2 years but compounded 6 months. Therefore 1 plus R upon 4. This equals to 9600, 1.075 to power 4. And by solving this, it approximately comes around This value comes around 1.3354, and therefore A comes out to be 12820.5. So interest earned would be A minus B, that comes around 3221. This would be the answer.